For BASF, circular economy is much more than waste management. The aim is to close cycles and use products and resources in the best way possible across the entire value chain. BASF recycles platinum group metals, or PGM, contained in scrap automotive catalytic converters and chemical catalysts. We then use the recycled PGM to produce precious metal chemicals. BASF uses precious metal chemicals to produce new automotive and chemical catalysts. Automotive catalysts reduce vehicle tailpipe emissions, which helps protect the air we breathe. And chemical catalysts ensure efficient production of a wide variety of products, including pharmaceuticals, fuels, and agricultural chemicals. At BASF, we understand the increasing importance of PGM recycling and are in a unique position to support our partners with sustainably sourced PGMs. Learn more at catalysts.basf.com/PGM. BASF, we create chemistry.